If you want me outside mash up, I want big 75-inch, you know, so I got the freezer stock up.
Right, yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, my friends, see there? Me have book stuff can hold me out for 3 weeks, so I might disappear for. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Right, yes, sir.
Well, stock out me alright now. God is good. God is great. Let
Let
us
us
thank God
thank,
for this day.
let us thank Him for our food. Amen.
Age is just a number. Nothing is wrong with 30.
How's this up?
Me tell them, you know. Me say age is nothing. Me love a hairstyle and fingernail is nothing. You understand? Cause enough of the girl me have the long hairstyle, long the eyelash and the fingernail and they sitting there. No man now can I give them free TV and free grocery and out. Not even one kiss him and no ask her. That's why I could choose, Fanny. That's why I could choose. Mwah!
Love
Argument.
you. All my
Yes.
friends love you.
And boo boo. Hey boo boo. Boo boo. Just say boo boo.
What you,
Argument gone.
what you mean, sister?
I love me new to this still. I'll tell you to put on me there in Jamaica.
You see, married there now.
Them I'm married already, me sir. How can I more marriage me I walk and look? I think me I do marriage factory. I don't want no more marriage.
I
But
would have
you want
mind.
more money.
Me no want a man. Me just want somebody to help me out in a life.
Jano. So if
I
you get
married 2 times already, sir. Me experience marriage 2 times. There's nothing great about being married. Just to put on a white dress and go down the aisle and say I do. And take picture post on TikTok and Facebook. Me been there, done that.
you
Me married
want
now one tall dress, married now one short dress. One more, me don't know more dress married now.
you
Me
want you
married
want
2 times. I don't one tall, one short. I don't want no more married. Me alright in a life.
okay. So you want
Yeah, me don't
you
live
want
the best
somebody who
life.
can help you and you help them, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Exchange is no robbery. You help me help you, and you go and be your business. But you don't help me, I don't help you, you go through my door and go and to your wife.
Eh?
I don't make my life come, black, no traffic. Nobody love me for.
Say love no make for you.
No.
You can't say
All,
that.
all of my life, me, I love a wrong man. All of my life,
You a
me, I
love the
love.
wrong
Me not
man.
get so tight.
You,
Eh?
you
All of my life, me, I love. Me not get nothing back. Not even love me, not get back in a return. So me no want more love me. All right, doing this.
no beg your attack, no beg your attack.
Go on ahead.
Me I tell you say you probably a love them man they too hard. And a them no love you. You see me when certain man see you come off too hard, you know, their interest drop. Yeah man,
Let me talk to something. Love is love. If you love somebody, why you supposed to suppress your feeling? If you love somebody, you're supposed to let them know that you care for them. You understand? That's why I'm saying in the love world no more because if me have feelings for you, I'm supposed to pretend that I don't have feelings. I'm supposed to act like me a big man, I a big man. If you have feelings and me have feelings, I just show the feelings and treat each other good. You get me? Nothing on here come
true.
out strong. And that
True
is
that.
it. That's my belief. We're all adults.
No, but when I say you can't find no love again, that
Me not look for none, me not want none. The
yeah, and
days of wanting love
at the time
gone.
it a go pop up Lady P.
The days of wanting love, me put that behind. You know, I want right now stability. That's
Yes,
all
sir.
I want. And me, I give myself stability by going to school and get a good education. I can go in a one good career.
America, you there, no. I remember say it harder for survive alone. It easy to survive with a partner. You know that.
That is why I'm on dating sites. I find one man who can come buy grocery this week. I take the grocery. I find one to come pay the light bill next week. I take the light bill money. Simple.
John, yeah.
By the
No.
time me done with school and me have my career, me get my breast and get longer, my body get saggy. Me now me nice to work, me now feel like I take no more man. So me plan it out already, my love.
So you go on no cocky then time then.
No, and if the man them want look for sex, make them pay me and give them the sex and wash out my crutches
They
and
not
gone.
go pay you. When you pop down, they not go pay you.
No, me not talk about no, me not talk about later. Me know what kind of when me over nature, me I go respect. In a
Me
me
want
own
you
nature,
now, don't
me
fuck.
go respect. Then time me know nature. Let me all I mean if you don't work and take care of my grand pick them to my picnic and they make the argument though. Me I need no man to me all.
Sister,
Yeah.
sister,
Huh?
Tell the Jen come and say, now run down, fuck out your attitude for your young.
I'm not me at all. When me fuck out with my latitude and magnitude from my young. So me me no want not near sex, my love. Me not even want to hear about it. Ain't gone.
You're supposed to go.
Ain't gone.
You're supposed to go.
Hello. How old is ya?
You need to send for family counselor?
Good news, princess. You've earned this upgrade call. Me no want to upgrade. How can a thief inspector? Me no want to upgrade for the car money that day. In America, everything a money. You no do nothing and get way.
Nothing free in America.
I lie, no, I go do some Uber Eats. Because I can make it for $120 or $40. But I know but I'm just really, tomorrow I do Uber Eats. Tomorrow I left work, I just go do some Uber Eats for me go to school.
I said, send them and they come a while ago.
No, I must be guidance counselor.
Family counselor. We tell the man say, now run down blood clot love or fuck.
The amount of love for me, I pick it till now, me I run down love and love run from me. What me I bother running again for? And me I put me I be selfish right now.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah? Hola? Sadiki? Alright, I gotta go. Come in my box, so come take up space.
Scratchy married, you know?
Who?
Scratchy.
I want to scratchy again.
Tara, baby father.
Tara, baby father.
Run a shop a housemaster boy.
Tara, where brief you doing?
Yes, Dwayne, me I thought Dwayne married.
He married to who?
One American.
Alright. Oh, the lady. The lady is still there?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good. The woman they check for him, you know? The woman there, I want you, I'll give me the juice, them. The woman they check for him.
Mm-hmm.
It'll work now. Oh, you might did mute. Alright, I can come back. That's good. Time soon come and forward too.
Yes, boo boo. The boss married and I go come America.
That's really nice.
Yes, sweetie.
Well, she going to jail this time to the big house. Prisoner.